Okay, hello po. Good morning po sa ating lahat ng mga nanonood ngayon. Welcome po sa ating FB Reels. Okay, ngayon po, i-congratulate grand opening po sa 1 Veterans Bagong Silang, Quezon City. Okay, naka-promo alert po kami ngayon. Mas pinamura and mas pinadali. Okay, Unified Payment Center, one-stop shop business po ito. Okay, kaya hurry up. Ito po yung mga services na ino-offer ni Payment Center. May bills payment, remittance, airline ticketing, travel and tours, loading, e-insurance, hotel booking, ferry ticketing, Rice Mart. May health and wellness products po kami dito, and ang good thing, meron pa pong frozen food. So hurry up and mag-comment down below po kayo kung saan nyo po napanood itong video na ito, and message nyo ako kung gusto nyo po ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, and God bless us all po sa ating